Power function returns the result of a number raised to a power. This function has two arguments. In number argument, select the cell reference that is the base number, any real number. In power argument, select the number that is the exponent to which the base number is raised. Click cancel, active this cell. Click math and trigonometric arrow button, scroll down, click power function. In number box, select this number, press tab key. In power box, select this power, click OK. Function raises the power of 4 is 2 and returns 16. Paste the formula in other cells, press mouse and drag to this cell. Now active this cell, click power function. In number box, select this number, press tab key. In power box, select this number or type 1/3. 1/3. This is cube root. By raising the cube root of 1000, function returns a result 10. Click OK. Now active this cell. Click power function. In number box, select this number, press tab key. In power box, select this number or type 1/3. Function returns the cube root of 27 is 3. Click OK. Now active this cell. You can use exponent operator instead of power function. Exponent operator works same as well as power function. Press delete key. Enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter exponent operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. Result same as well as was before. Exponent operator raises the power 2 of base number and returns 16. In this way, power function is used in an Excel worksheet.